Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Manhattan Transfer, and we are going to react to the song Happy Holiday, the holiday season. This is a request by our patron Stacy. This should be our first time single take honest reaction to this song Happy Holiday, the holiday season.
Being from India and a Hindu,
right?
Hindu lady, you shouldn't be liking this song at all or anything to do with Christmas,
Oh
right?
Krishna, how can I like it?
You know, I mean, you're so restricted in your likes and dislikes.
And
Every Indian is on this platform. As per the viewers and listeners of our videos, every Indian is so restricted and narrow-minded. So you should not like anything to do with Christmas or with the West.
I'll
Why
tell you the best thing
bothering taking these requests from these patrons?
I'll tell you the best thing to do. I think Christmas is as you know, just like my Diwali. Just like Indian Diwali. So we get to celebrate 2 times Diwalis. Once in October, November, sometime there. And once on 25th December. And you know, many days before and after that too. People celebrate here. So that is how I look at it. We appropriate things from the West. So we think it is ours. We think it's just like ours. And we should all not worry about it. Let's just take it as ours, make it ours, and that is the reason why I celebrate Christmas as well, just like Diwali. And there is no difference for me. Though I am so narrow-minded, I don't like Western things, but when I make it my own, when I think it is Indian, that is when I can like it. Completely I like it. And for some reason, if I don't like the song, or sometimes when we don't like the song, I consider it completely West. I never look at it from my Indian perspective.
And since we are on that topic, there must America and people from the UK, especially from the Caucasian community, the black community, they must be so open-minded, right? Because they regularly react to songs which are from related to Diwali, related to Holi, Hindu festivals.
Though I'm yet to see one.
Every day on YouTube,
every
day on YouTube they listen to Bollywood music,
and they're listening to
Bollywood
and all
music,
that,
Lollywood music and Nollywood music. They must be reacting to music from our part of the world because they are so open-minded, right? People from the West are so open-minded that every day they eat Indian food, they wear Indian clothes, wow, and Chinese attire. They must be so open-minded, right, over there, because we are narrow-minded.
We both are anti-America and anti-UK.
We are constantly told how narrow-minded and racist we are. So obviously the people who come and give those comments and people who view our videos, they are so open-minded. They are so open-minded. They're going to celebrate Diwali today because we said it. They're going to burst crackers and light lights all around their home for Diwali today, not for Christmas. They're so open-minded. Wow. Anyway, celebrating Christmas in advance. Happy holidays to all of you.
Yes, let's begin with the song. Let's listen to it. I hope it's gonna be fun to listen to this one.
Happy holiday. Happy holiday, while the merry bells keep ringing, may your every wish come true. Happy holiday, happy holiday, may the calendar keep ringing, happy holidays to you. It's the holiday season,
and Santa Claus is coming round. The Christmas snow is white on the ground. When old Santa gets into town,
he'll come down chimney down, come down chimney down.
It's a holiday season, and Santa Claus has got a toy for every good girl and good little boy. He's a great big bundle of joy.
He'll come down chimney down, come down chimney down.
He'll have a big fat pack upon his back and lots of goodies for you and me. So leave a peppermint stick for old Saint Nick hanging on the Christmas tree.
It's the holiday season
with the whoop-de-doo and dickory-dock. And don't forget to hang up your suckers.
chimney, come down chimney down. Keep bringing happy holidays to you. Happy holidays, happy holidays. May the calendar keep bringing happy holidays to you. To you. Happy holidays, happy holidays. Happy holidays, happy holidays, happy holidays.
Yet another Christmas song about the commercial aspects of the season, not the spiritual aspects of it.
Not the spiritual aspect.
That's one major difference between East, South,
Yeah.
and the West.
Yeah. You're right.
Big difference in the way we celebrate festivals and the way they celebrate festivals. It's all so commercialized over there. It has hardly anything to do with the birth of Jesus Christ and almost everything to do with gifting, making money, spending money, shopping,
The business.
dressing up and things like that, showing off. It is all so commercialized. And although I like the music, I like the way it
This
was
is
sung.
jazzy holiday
I
song.
like the nice, upbeat, cheerful way in which they went about it. I completely disagree with the lyrics. I don't like commercialization of religious events, festivals, celebrations, observances. I do not like that. I do not like that one bit. And unfortunately, almost every Christmas song I've heard which has come out of there has been that way.
I think the coming up generations, the young children that grow up in this kind of scenario, they forget tomorrow. Why do we actually celebrate Christmas?
They don't know.
They don't know. Actually,
They don't even know.
Because Santa Claus we celebrate Christmas. Is that what
Today's
generation is?
generation, actually, it's a good point you raised, Kirti, because many of my clients, their children don't even know why Christmas is celebrated,
Yeah.
why Thanksgiving is celebrated,
Yeah.
why Halloween is celebrated. They don't even
And
know.
what's the history behind
They
it?
don't
How
even
many
know.
years
It's
it has
so
been?
commercialized. Halloween for the costumes and makeup and things like that. Christmas and Thanksgiving mainly for the dinners, the meals, and Christmas obviously for the gifts. It's so commercialized. They don't even realize why this is done. Why are we celebrating it? Why is there a Christmas tree? Who started the Christmas tree thing? Funda, if you want to call it that. They have no clue. In fact, they don't even know much about Santa. With all this talk about Santa, and this song and thousands of others, they don't even know what Santa is.
Why did it come about?
Who Santa is, what is the symbolism, and all. They have no clue.
Though this was a jazzy holiday song. I like the music. The way
And
the
that
music
says a
was.
lot about the upbringing and the culture,
It is.
I would hate for my children or grandchildren to grow up in that kind of an environment. No. Changes must be done. Changes must be done.
Good.
It's really a turn off to see such commercialization of everything. It's not a vaccine.
As if the vaccines are supposed to be commercial. Yeah,
Isn't it?
right.
Isn't it?
Isn't it? Yes.
By the way, Biden has given his first lie to the American public. Joe Biden, who won with the maximum votes ever,
Who's
of
got
course
the
by
votes?
the electoral college countings, he's got the maximum votes that any
Any ever
presidential
president,
candidate
okay.
has
Yeah.
had in the past in American history. He's already given his first big lie to the American public and they don't even realize it. He promised during his campaigning that within 100 days, 100 million doses would be given to Americans. First of all, any American company that develops a vaccine, first 100 million doses will go to Americans. 50 million Americans, because 100 million is 2 times if it has to be given. 50 million Americans will get the dose first. Let's ignore the 280 or 290 other million for the time being. But he made that promise and he's already broken it. Because the American company Pfizer and a couple of
it's already
others who are
started in
already,
the UK, right?
already ready to produce, they have already gone to the other parts of the world first.
And they are waiting. They are in the waiting list
In
in
fact,
India. They're asking for
they're
approval.
begging the doors of the Indian government to get in over here.
Yeah, for the approval.
Yeah, so American public is forgotten by Joe Biden. He always reminds me of Bin Laden for some reason.
Joe Biden, because of that. Biden.
Maybe other reasons too. His first big lie shows that he's more like him than a president.
Well, time will tell. Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Michael Crawford. And we are going to react to the song Peace, Peace and Silent Night.
I think it's 2 songs in one request.
Okay.
How convenient, how nice. Let's get started with our first time single take honest reaction. I think first time. Because most of these are carols. So probably we've heard the carols, but we've not heard this person
This
singing
person,
it.
okay.
Peace, peace, peace on earth that good will to all. This is a time for joy. This is a time for love. Now let us all sing together of peace, peace, peace on earth.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round young virgin, mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep
Oh, no credit absolutely given to the child who made the
I thought that was Michael Crawford.
wonderful start at the beginning. So unfair. The music industry is so unfair. Or maybe it's a cultural thing in the part of the world where this song was released in. Oh, I didn't like it. For some reason, it was just. I don't think the heart was in the right place of the artist while singing it. I've heard far better versions of this song, Silent Night, Holy Night.
I think even in the church, all over the world,
Yeah.
they do it around Christmas time, and sometimes they are something to.
Yeah, I mean, the most choirs will sound way better than this. Even one or two members singing.
This is average. I don't know. I should call it average. I would say below average for it.
And trying to mix two songs, two carols, I just didn't think it went well. It didn't go well at all for me. You know, the child sang the peace bit, but it just didn't go well. The way it was done. Don't know what was the intention behind mixing two songs like that. But it just wasn't done well. And not giving credit to the child artist, that's one of the worst things to do in music or in life. Yeah, it's like child labor, first of all, and then actually not giving credit.
credited. Yeah.
Yeah, just like
For
the
the
Chinese
art, yeah.
Chinese factories. You know? What's the difference?
Yeah, exactly. For me, it didn't really make me feel as good as it does when these kind of carols are actually played live in the churches and with all the effect that you experience in that atmosphere around there, with the vibes in the church and all the things that really feel holy. This lacked it. This definitely lacked it.